Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video I will show you and tell you how to change the language in Roblox on your phone. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Put likes. Let's get started. For this, on our device's tablet or phone, we need to go to the game Roblox. Once we're there, in the bottom right corner, click on the three dots. Then here, we scroll down to Settings. Click on Account Info. Now here we scroll down and find Language English. Now here, we have a lot of different languages and we can choose any of them. And when we've chosen, let's say we click Spanish now, and now we changed it to Spanish. That's how easy it is to change any language in Roblox. If you liked and helped by this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Put a like. Thank you very much for watching. See you later. Goodbye.